Welcome to our science session. So children, let us continue with our chapter crop production and management. So today we will discuss about the next step of agricultural practice, that is adding manure and fertilizers. So what are these manure and fertilizers? These are the substances which are added to the soil. These are the substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants. So these manures and fertilizers are the substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium for the healthy growth of plants. So you know children, soil already contains nutrients in them. So these nutrients help in the healthy growth of the plants. But when farmers go on cultivating crop after crop, what happens? The nutrients inside the soil, it will be lacking. So it goes on depleting. So to restore that nutrients back to the soil, we are adding the manures and fertilizers. So continuous cultivation of crops in the field will result in the lack of the nutrients. So farmers have to add certain manures and fertilizers. So usually manures are added to improve the yield of the crop. So that process we call it as manuring. So manuring is a process of adding manure to the crops. So this manuring helps in giving the better yield to the crop. So there should be proper and sufficient addition of the manure to the fields. If there is improper and insufficient adding of manure, it will result in the poor growth of the plants. So the manure and fertilizers are added in order to enrich the soil with the nutrients. So what are these manures and how they are obtained? So usually these organic manures are obtained by the decomposition of plant and animal waste. So usually farmers, they will dump the animal and plant waste in the open pits so that it undergoes decomposition. So usually the decomposition of these organic waste like animal and plant waste is done with the help of certain microorganisms. So this decomposed matter, we call it as manure, or we also call it as a organic manure. Organic manure. So this is about the organic manure. How about the fertilizers? Fertilizers are usually, they are chemicals which are rich in particular nutrient. For example, you take the fertilizers like urea, potash, ammonium phosphate and NPK. So all these contain a particular nutrient like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So because of that, these fertilizers are rich in the particular nutrient and they are manufactured in the factories. So these fertilizers helps in giving the better yield for the farmers. But if we use excessive use of fertilizers, it will result in the harmful because it causes the less fertility of the soil, and it may also cause water pollution because it is the source of the water pollution, and it will also reduce the fertility of the soil. So instead of fertilizers, it is better to use the organic manure. So this organic manure helps in improving the texture of the soil, and it helps in retaining the water capacity in the soil, and it will also help in improving certain microorganisms in the soil. So this is better to use the organic manure instead of the fertilizers. And another good method of increasing the fertility of the soil is through the crop rotation. So crop rotation means addition of or cultivation of the some other crops like leguminous plants, because in between two crops the leguminous plants helps in providing certain nutrients to the soil, because as you know children, there is a bacteria called as rhizobium bacteria inside the soil. So this is present in the leguminous plants, which helps in fixing the atmospheric nitrogen. So this nitrogen is very much essential for the crop plants like wheat, maize and paddy. So in between the two crops, if the leguminous plants are grown, so it will help in enriching the nutrients inside the soil. So this is also, crop rotation is also one of the best method for increasing the fertility of the soil and to provide nutrients to the soil. So we have studied both manure and fertilizers. So what is the advantages of the manure? Let us know about this. So what are the advantages of the manure are? Usually this manure is an organic manure obtained from the decomposition of plants and animals. So this organic manure helps in improving the texture of the soil, and it also makes the soil porous so that there will be exchange of gases easily inside the roots of the plants, and it also helps in increasing the number of friendly microbes in the soil, and it also helps the soil to improve the water retaining capacity inside the soil, and it makes the soil porous so that there will be easily water retaining capacity inside the soil. So these are the advantages of organic manure over fertilizers. So children, we can use both organic manure and fertilizer, but to a limited extent. But it is better to use organic manure instead of fertilizers. I hope children you understood about the adding the manure and fertilizer, which is the third step of the agricultural practice. Thank you.